Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make basic congee. Congee is a gentle, nourishing meal that soothes the digestive system and replenishes the nutrients, perfect for post-cleanse meal on day 2. Before introducing the recipe, let me explain what the recovery phase is. After completing your Koso Cleanse, the recovery phase is just as important as the cleanse itself. This phase helps prevent rebound weight gain. Your body is in a highly absorbent state after fasting. Suddenly consuming heavy food may lead to excess fat storage. The recovery phase also reduces digestive stress, ensuring that you smoothly transition back to regular eating. The cleanse gives your digestive system a break. Jumping back to regular meal too quickly can overwhelm your stomach and undo your progress. Gradually transitioning back to regular meals is essential after fasting. The recovery phase should match the fasting duration. For example, a one-day fast requires one-day recovery. During the recovery phase, drink 1 to 2 liters of fluid daily such as water, warm water, or caffeine-free tea. Limit rice intake due to its high carbohydrate content. First day after 3-day Koso Cleanse, try to choose vegetable and avoid food high in carbohydrate to control blood sugar levels. Second day after 3 days Koso Cleanse, start taking high carbohydrate food little by little. You can eat rice and fruits. Congee is one of the ideal dishes to take second day. Vegetable soup, steamed vegetables, and boiled tofu are also great on the second day. This gradual introduction of food helps prevent digestive stress and support the body's transition back to normal eating. Don't forget to chew well and eat mindfully. Your taste bud will be more sensitive. Make simple food even more flavorful. This congee is very simple and easy to make. All you need is rice, water, salt koji. If you don't have salt koji, you can just add salt. Add rice and water to a pot, cover with a lid, and bring to a boil. Reduce heat, slightly open the lid, and simmer on low for 30 minutes. Stir after 15 minutes or 20 minutes to prevent sticking. Once it reaches your desired consistency, it's ready. Enjoy this warm, gut-friendly meal as part of your post-cleanse recovery plan. And don't forget to continue taking our Koso daily to maintain gut health. Your body will thank you. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.